Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. This is the absolute latest from Apple. This is the MacBook Air that they showed us like 2 weeks ago or something. This is the latest, greatest, maybe not the greatest because we have the Pro, but this weighs a kilo less than the Pro. So if you want the Air thing that we bought Apple products for, Air was before thin, slim and light. So if you want thin, slim and light, this is the one that you're gonna get. It has 16 gigabytes internal memory, and there is a 512 SSD hard drive. Let me see if I can get it open. Yeah, the boxes are actually a bit sturdier, thicker than before, and that improves the whole quality feeling when you have a sturdy box. So you don't really want to throw it away right away, but that's what I do. All right, let's see here. We have the very light computer. Here is usually just small instructions. I don't need to open that. We have the charger, always good to have because I use them for my phone as well. And we have a quite long cable. I don't know how long this is, but it's a bit longer than before, I think. That's it. But what they don't give you is this, so you can use your old USB products. Because the new computer is so slim that you wouldn't fit the old USB standard connection. Oh, the color is really nice. The gray is a bit darker than before. I bet they call this space gray. And the only connections we have are these two. Let me show it like this. That's it. And when I hold it like this, it feels maybe not lighter than an iPad, but it feels smaller than an iPad. So yeah, and the new color, I think it's called space gray, is used great, and we can see that they have focused a lot more on the aluminum, how it's made. So yeah, it's expensive, it surely is, but Apple products today is much more than just a working computer. This is what you want to have if you want something that looks good, feels good in your hands, and yeah, the whole prestige showing off thing. But what I like about these is the keyboard. The keyboard on these are just wonderful. Yeah, the keyboard feels great. But the new
English as the main language.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that later. The big news for this year is the Retina screen. The screen on this one is just amazing. We have this big screen that is Retina, and this slim. I think you can literally cut bread with this one. So yeah, a Retina screen. The thing is with these Apple computers, the new ones, that you're almost too careful to use them. So usually you buy a skin or something, but to have this under your arm or in your bag, it doesn't get any lighter, slimmer and better looking than this. So yeah, this is the new Apple Pro. I don't have so much else to say about it. You already know all the specs. What I want to tell you is that it feels great, it looks great. The color is darker than the usual Apple gray. And let me see what it weighs. We have official numbers on that as well, but just for fun, let me see. 1.2 kilos for the latest computer with 512 SSD hard drive and a full retina screen. That's great. It's expensive, it really is, but I can't say that you get what you pay for. I actually can. So guys, I hope you like my tech unboxings. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see. Thanks.